Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am out today with my beautiful daughter. We have an appointment, so we are rushing to meet up with the time. But first of all, if you are new here, my name is Chinwe. I'm a mom of amazing four. I make video from United Kingdom. I have my food recipe, lifestyle. If you love what you're seeing, please don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, share our video, okay? So guys, to my returning subscribers, I say thank you all for always tuning back to watch our videos. I don't take it for granted. So we are almost there, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to show you I'm going to vlog if they allow me, okay? If they allow me, I'm going to vlog in there. If they didn't, okay, I will update you guys, okay? So stay tuned and you guys, so they didn't allow me to vlog in there, and we are done. Everything is perfectly okay with her teeth. They only asked us to buy one thing. What is it, Favor?
It's called floss.
So we are going to Tesco's right now to check for it. Yeah, so let's go.
Yeah.
We are back. I need water too. I have a machine in the kitchen. Kitchen. We are back, guys. I totally forgot that I was vlogging, guys. Bring that floss.
Yeah.
That's what they said that you should use it.
Here.
Okay, this is what they said we should buy for Favor.
Yeah.
This one, I don't know.
It's floss.
Floss.
This thing. Is it focusing? Oral essential floss.
Yep. Here.
Okay.
Floss.
Yeah. So they said this will be helpful because she always complains of things stucking in her teeth. So this way, she'll be flushing her teeth or flossing. Which one, Favor?
Flossing.
So I don't know how it works. You just go and study it. Currently, I am hungry, so I want to go and find myself something to eat. Don't worry, I will tell you about this hair. I will tell you about my look later. I'm hungry now. Let me go and, settle myself first before talking, because no energy, no strength, no energy to talk. Okay guys, this is leftover filling, meat pie filling, so I use it to do scrambled egg right now. Want to try? You had egg in the morning, Okay guys, this is the next day. Today is Saturday, right? So I'm making African breakfast for my family. I'm frying akara, and they're enjoying it on the dining. Some people are taking tea, milk. Some are drinking akamo. So some are taking akamo. Some are taking milk. So, yep. Akara dioko. Akara dioko. This akara is very, very fluffy. Yup. okay, right? I'm going to give you the phone. Yeah, play small. Play small. Let me bribe him because I want to do something now. Yes. The akamu and the custard and the akara dioko. It do my body better. Oh. After drinking that akamu, you will see yourself in the other room. You will see yourself on the bed, literally sleeping. All right. Okay. As you can see, I am glammed. Like, we just finished live right now on our page in Facebook. If you are not following the Biafran food and more, please go check that out and follow. Just join, not follow. Join and follow Chinwe Uzoma's kitchen on Facebook. Oh, I'm talking on Facebook now. Yeah, so that is it. What are you doing, honey? Always in the computer. You guys.
Who are those people?
Today is Saturday and we don't have much to do. Okay, I'm supposed to go and get some few things outside for tomorrow. I'll be going outside to get plantain, meat, fresh meat for stew. Are we going to have stew rice or what?
When is it me that decide your timetable?
I'm only just saying I need some help, you know.
You don't need
now.
to call my name. The only thing that I want now is Ona.
Ona.
If you can send me Ona.
That one is not possible.
Okay, now then go and just fix yourself and leave me alone.
You guys, okay, let me explain what happened to my hair. First of all, how do I look on this low cut? This one is proper low cut. Yes, I told hubby to just trim my hair because I was finding it difficult to comb it. You know, when combing it will be hurting me and I don't like that. I said earlier, I said this year I'm going to carry low cut all through. I don't want to make hair, I don't want to fix, I just want to enjoy like my afro hairstyle, not like this down low. Okay, I now told hubby to help me to trim it 2 days ago. Trimming, I said trimming. He went and you know, shave it this way.
they stopped talking to me, guys. But you have to understand that it is not my making because I'm not a baba. I want them. I want. And there are things that you have to understand about your husband. Like when you have a husband that doesn't have like that patience of doing some certain things, you don't need to call him into all those things. That is one of the mistakes.
I was playing love one thing.
What type of playing love one thing is that one? You know that it is not my thing to come and
to trim my hair.
Trim your hair. I always tell you, if you want to do something on your hair, irrespective of there is, you know, pandemic and most of the barbing salon or other things, when you took this decision, you have known how to take care of your hair.
I know.
So now that it came to this, you have to manage yourself. She's still beautiful. I love her like that. So there is no problem.
Okay, guys. I was trying to do love one thing, Theo. Love one thing. I was doing love one thing. Asking my husband to help me. I would have called favor anyway, but looking at this hair, does it look bad on me?
It's not bad.
Yes.
I'm the first person to say it.
Yeah. So I believe that the hair is not bad, right? Yeah. It's still manageable. Meanwhile, this is how it's supposed to be right now because combing it is wahala. That time it was so afro, like big. Combing it through, everywhere will be hair. No, so this time around, it's like I'm going to enjoy it more. even though it changed my look. It changed my look, right? It changed my look, right? But it's not bad, okay? So that is what happened. Yes. He was trying to amend it, like to shape it, amend it. By amending it, he was making more mistakes, more mistake, and the hair was going down and down, and voila, this is how it is. So that is it, guys. I believe that the hair is still good. What do you have to say about the hair? Guys, what do you have to say about the hair? It's good. It's good. So I'm going to go out right now and get some few things. I want to get some plantain. So guys, that is it. I feel so tired because of that custard and the akara. Honestly, I feel so tired to do anything. That is why I don't make akara all the time. I don't make this type of breakfast, because after eating it, you are just useless for that day. So just useless. Is it not, honey? I'm gonna end this vlog right now. I don't want to make it too long. If you are new here, please subscribe. Please subscribe to our channel, turn on your bell notification. My returning subscribers, thank you all for your massive support. I don't take it for granted. Thank you all, and always be positive. Bye guys. See you in our next video.